Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy twisted bun hairstyle which is perfect for medium to long hair. First I'm going to leave some hair out at the front to frame the face, and then I'm going to gather a section above the ear on the right hand side and then just clip this out of the way for later. And I'm going to take the same size section on the left hand side. Now bring these two sections to the back of the head and secure them with a clear elastic band. Pop a couple of fingers behind that section, pass the ponytail to your fingers and pull it all the way through, which will create a little twist. Add some dry texture spray to the twists. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below, and then gently pull each twist with your finger and thumb to give it more volume. With the remaining hair, tie it into a ponytail at the nape of the neck. Next, we're just going to divide that ponytail in half, and starting on the right hand side, I'm just going to divide that section in half again, and then just wrap those two sections loosely around one another to the ends to create another twist, and then secure it with an elastic band. Then repeat the same steps on the left hand side. So create your twist and secure with a little elastic. Then I'm going to pop two fingers behind that twist on the right hand side. Grab the left hand twist of the ponytail, pull it to your fingers and pull just the very ends through. Then secure it at the top with a bobby pin for now. Then put your fingers behind the twist on the left hand side at the top, grab the other one from the ponytail and then pull it behind that twist and secure with a bobby pin. Then push each side of the bun to the head and secure down each side with a few more bobby pins. And it really is that easy. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.